quick tutorial on the email module, which can for the teachers. So the teachers got two options there. You can either jump into the drop down and click on email, which opens up the email module. It's probably the quickest way. Otherwise, just jump onto the left hand side under communication and click email and then click compose. So the teachers are linked to different classrooms. So if I wanted to email the Sharks class, for example, I'll click on Sharks class. I would then click on the Sharks class again over here, and then I would choose, otherwise I can choose a group. So if I'm linked to different groups, like the ballet group, for example, I can click on that. Otherwise I'll click on the red group. But I want to, in this case, click the Sharks class. I can choose different files to upload. So if I wanted to, for example, upload an image, I'd add that. I can add up to 3 attachments, each being 5 megabytes each. You could paste your message in over here. Once you click send, that's going to go through to the parents, obviously, of the Sharks class. You can click on the reports icon, and that's going to show you by date order of all the emails you've sent and which class it went to. You're going to see your summary. The green button means that those are the parents that have received it, and those were not delivered. So if you click on view report, sorry, wrong one. If I click on view report, it'll then just pull through all the parents' email addresses, and it'll give you the status icon of which parents and why they never received it. You can also see which parents opened it and which parents clicked it. If you click the red button over here, for example, it'll give you the reason why that email was not sent.